Good morning, optimists. Today is Tuesday, September 26th, 2023, and we got some economic reports coming in today. I've taken a couple trades on my newer evaluation. Minimal results there. One larger loss and one medium-sized win, and then a small win. And the small win, I should have held out a little bit longer, but I was just kind of getting the feel of the day. Having a kind of a difficult time trading the ES today because it's so volatile, but I'm trading oil pretty decently. Let's go ahead and get the charts up. And actually, before we do, let's take a look at the economic calendar today. You can see we already had building permits final, building permits month-over-month final, and we actually looks like our building permits went up 1.43 to 1.54. So that would be a good thing in terms of economic growth. Red Book year over year, 3.8 from 3.6. Housing price index from 406 to 409. Let's take a look at this one. We'll open that one up in a new tab. House price index month over month and year over year. We've got the S&P Case-Shiller. This is today, right? It already dropped one of these 7 o'clock ones. Is it even 7? It's like 7 exactly right now. So we also had consumer confidence, new home sales, and manufacturing. We've also got Dallas Fed coming at 7:30. Then we've got the 2-year notes, and then another Fed speech, and then we've got crude at 1:30. So a lot of economic reports packed into today. So the house price index, the Federal Housing Finance Agency house price index measures month over month changes in average prices of single family houses with mortgages guaranteed by Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac. So what this looks like to me is the price of houses just went up again. A lot of people are predicting the housing market to predict. Oh my gosh! A lot of people are predicting the housing market to correct itself by a pretty large number. I've seen estimates from 10 to about 30%. I don't think that we're ever getting down to these 2019 levels. As you see, housing prices have basically doubled since 2019, and they were already on the rise since 2014, but you see we were about 2019, you see we're in like 270 and we're at like 410. It's a pretty massive jump. Let's see what happened with that consumer confidence report. I took a couple decent trades here on oil. I took one bad trade here on the ES, which was this one trade right here. It's like the only trade I took. I tried to take another trade like right in this area here, but I just couldn't get a fill. This particular account, this is the newer evaluation. This one's down 300 a day and trailing max at 1050. So I'm going to try to bring this one just into a positive, just a green day on it, and then work it out of where it's at. I haven't been positive in this account since I started it yesterday. So, and I haven't traded my my other eval that is currently up 1,600 in that account. Let's go back here. What up, Kevin? Good to see you, Tiny. So as far as the ES is concerned, we're trading near the lows right now. It's obviously a very bearish day. ES is down $40, almost 1%. So being as that's the case, I might not even trade the ES today, personally. Um, it may get a reversal, but it's not looking like one's coming anytime soon. And you guys know me, I like trading reversals. There's also these 9 EMA bounces. This could work too. Where you see it kind of drops, comes back up to the 9, right there, and then shorting off of that. So that's also available as well. Oil's breaking down a little bit right now. Oil, I think we could wait for some of these little corrections like that we're seeing right here. And you can see it's at the bottom there, that Bollinger Band. So we could actually find some bounces and back up towards the top. I'm going to put a resistance level here. It's really at about 70. It's really at like 75. I'm going to throw it there at 80, where it kept tapping. Keep it right at 80. We were getting these bounces off the 50 EMA quite well, but those aren't happening anymore. Let's see. Let's go for like 7. Look for a red yellow here on the 1-minute chart. 0.09. It feels like it's pretty close. We're popping back up above that band. Let's see what the 10 seconds doing. 10 second just got a downward cross at the moment. So I'm looking for a bounce, I guess, off of 50 area. Off of 89.50. I considered taking that because it was kind of finding support there, but we didn't have our crossovers or TTM, so it felt like to me like it had a high failure rate, like a higher chance of failure, even though the chart itself looked like we would get a nice little pop. There's a little cyan there on the 10 second. Zoom in here just to make sure I can see this right.
Order filled.
Enjoy the bid there at 56. Hopefully it doesn't fail on me. I'm taking this preemptively of that crossover right there and this cyan. So I'm looking for from 56 up to 63, which is right up there just above the 50 moving average on the 10 second chart. We did get a pop to 60. And there is that cross, but it kind of failed. We'll see if we get a bounce. It's looking less bouncy. Yeah, it's looking like a false break. Yeah, we got it. Oil officially going red on the day here at 89.50. I'm gonna drop this sale price down to 60. Tap 57, so it would have been a micro profit out, I guess. That one hit 60 there, and this one hit 61. So it looks like we got some resistance at 60. Looking like it's just like on a stair step down. If that's the case, I pretty much just need to cut this. Wow, that dropped down quite a bit. Guess I should have got out of just 57. I want to see a red to yellow here. I might try this in my main account if it switches from red to yellow. The Bollinger has declined some. It's kind of a moment of truth. It's got to hold this 50 zone. .13 on that TTM. Scale is kind of minimal on the TTM here. It's not like the same scale as it is on the ES. Just doing what? Still bouncing on lows. I think a red to yellow would look quite strong on oil, but the question is, will we actually get it? Kind of falling into like noob traps today. I fell into one earlier as well, like a little bear trap. Gratefully the rush down wasn't huge, but it was still big enough to put me red on the day. Alright, I'm just gonna cut this. Now,
Order filled.
like $300 loss on that. Not doing well today. I've taken almost all L's. Technically, I apparently have taken more wins, but I didn't think I took that many trades. Yeah, I just broke one of them up into like 3 trades. Not doing well today on this account. Guess I'm kind of grateful I haven't traded my main account yet. Just trying to find the swing of things today. It's not really seeing it. Ah, there's the freaking somewhat of an oil bounce, I guess. It actually ended up dropping lower than what I cut it at, so. ES is just dropping like a rock. Yeah, I guess just nothing just quite there. Hate not having my charts. Every day I need charts and coffee. Charts and coffee daily. Not doing great in this account so far. I've only had it since yesterday. I've pretty much got wrecked yesterday and kind of getting wrecked a little bit today. There's only 710 left from the trailing max. Remember though, the same thing happened with our with this other account here, and this account's doing well. I haven't taken any trades in it today, and I don't know that I will, given the market. Just trying to protect it. A lot of short opportunities today, it would seem. Where my short traders at? Well, I mean, like, I'm a trader that's short. You guys, you know, being short goes, but, you know. Just kidding. ES breaking down all the way to 30s. Wow. 40 for 30? 43.30, I mean. So ES is just crashing today. Down over 1%. Market seems like he's kind of just selling off heavy today. Just momentum in reverse. That's all it is. ES continuing to make new lows, practically dropping down to the outer Bollinger Band. This one here is the extended Bollinger Band, the blue one. And if I zoom out, you can see there's the extended Bollinger Band on the upper side. On the bottom one, it's well below the lows. It's just continuing to make lows. Wow. I don't want to be on this account. Not that I should keep an account for both long and a different account for short. Might be fun. This is just ripping downward, man. That's crazy. $10 rip down in just a couple of minutes. From 38 down to 28. Yes, it's down $50 today. 1 and something percent. It's just hanging down there like 26. It's nuts, dude. See some people covering. Some shorts covering. Jump back over to oil. See what the jilly is. Oil just continued to drop too. Red to yellow did happen, but not the bounce we were anticipating. Oil's now down 1/3%. I think there's more opportunity in oil for me today, personally. But I just need to wait for a reversal on it. We've got crude later today. That's one of the reports. I don't actually see the consumer confidence report. It just says add a calendar. Let's see if Market Watch has it. Alright, let's give it a whirl on Market Watch. I have it listed at 10. Oh, because they put everything in Eastern time. But they don't have any leak outs. How are they going to have this, like, not have a link? Oh, they didn't even have the numbers. Wow. Damn, TradeView is way faster. I'm not even bothering with that. Alright. Oh, there's that little bounce on oil I was looking for. That bounce from... Wow, it's like 15 cents. It was a nice bounce. I'm going to tell you this on the 1 minute real fast. Damn. Holy crap. It's actually higher than our original trade was, the one that we cut. I was looking for a pullback. Just not getting it. Wow, what a rip. What a nice breakout. It broke out so fast too. It was right here at like 50 and I was like, oh, looking for an entry, and then it just kept on ripping.
Order filled.
Took a long off 59, trying to get out at 66.
Order filled. Order filled.
It took a long in my good account, but I got in kind of late. I was trying to grab that pop right there. So I ended up getting in at 66. We're gonna get out at 71. And that hit 68. I was trying to grab that pop. Ended up getting filled at the top. Let's have 69. Oil trying to go green on the day. Looks like we're about to get a silent switch on the 1 minute, or we already got one, rather. And this actually has opt to run. Our high's up there at 80, so well, 91 is technically the high, but I mean, we had resistance there at 80. This looks like this could be a really nice breakout here. We zoom out, you can see this was like big pullback and consolidation. We're getting this cyan switch. We got the Bollinger on the rise. We got a double doji though at the top, which I don't love. I want to see this pop on this particular candle, which has like 40 seconds left.
Order filled. Order filled.
I took another long on my newer evaluation. Trade rate's so slow sometimes. So I'm anticipating this crossover right here. Like to see him move up to like 74, 75 area. It's really struggling to hit 70. We're hitting like 69. GTM's still stacking up. There's a lot of resistance at 70, like too much resistance at 70. I'm gonna pull this trade.
Order filled.
I pulled it. Switch over to this account. I know. That's because I'm trading two accounts at once. I'm like, that was looking like. I was like, oh, it looks like I could get out here. You know, at least we got out on the account that's already like still in profit. Nice rip up.
Order filled.
There's the rip. That's the rip I was actually looking for. Alright, so this account's just down 240 today. Not terrible. And this account is up 50 bucks. There's 80 where we had resistance. Wow. Oh my gosh. This looks like it's gonna make new highs. Really? Crazy. I feel tricked. Can we get a pullback to like 75?
Order filled.
I filled at the high. There's 95. And legitimately filled on the high. What the heck? So this is in my positive account at the moment. I legitimately filled on the dang high. What the hell? I was trying to get the rip up into the high, and I just bought the high. Tap 95. Not a great trade.
Order filled.
We got out at like 93 or something. We made another 50 bucks. So kind of struggling on this account here. I'm up about $100 in it, but I don't love the trading on it. I absolutely could have got this rip here. And a bit miffed I did not, but that's okay. 240 up or down on this secondary account here. Trail max is at 1110. Weird trading for me today. It's totally me though, not necessarily the market. Market's giving ops. I'd like to see a pullback on oil. It's like ES bounced a lot. Is ES starting to reverse? You mean on the ES? That you don't trust this move? So oil ended up breaking that area. Looks like our original order, if we kept it at 98, potentially could have worked. Where our order was. Getting like delayed results on oil trades. I say delayed because it seems like I'm taking the order off just slightly before a breakout. Oil breaking 90. And ES putting in a crossover move on a TTM, but it's kind of well below everything. So oil got that breakout over 90. Oil is green on the day at the moment. And 90.09 is the new oil total. I think, like, I don't know, oil's been doing the same where it's like it'll pull back and then it'll just sort of like hang there for a little while, seemingly like a minute and a half or something before it finally rips. So it's like it feels like slow in a sense. I'd love to see a pullback to like 89, 90, or just to 90, honestly. Put a standing order at 98. I don't know if it'll pull back that far. She seems too far of a pullback, honestly. Continued rippage on oil off that 1 minute pullback there. I'm sketchy to take an oil trade here. At the moment. I want to see some sell off, like back down to 90.
Order filled.
Took a entry at 90.15 with a 6-tick trail on the newer eval. I think I bought on a drop. Yeah, I did. I might get stopped out of this. Yeah, it's looking like I might get stopped out. Hopefully we just get a nice, huge rip up and the trail just runs. Alright, we're guaranteed at least break even.
Order filled.
I took that profit. Got 2 ticks on it. Wanted to actually get some profit, not just a break even. This account's now down 190. Other account's up 100. What up, Rod Talk Shorts? Or did I say Rod? I meant say Pod. Greetings and salutations. Grateful to have you here. Yeah, that's what I was seeing too. That's why I said ascending on it. But I decided to give it a try anyway. On the 10 second, it looked like ascending. On the 1 minute, it looked more like a flag. I should have been watching this crossover here, because I would have gone for a hell of a lot more than this 7 ticks or whatever that we took off this. They're like 200 something bucks. That's what I'm saying. Like, I feel like slightly off today. Like, you can tell I'm not taking into account all the same information that I often do. Oil ripping again. Yo. After that period of consolidation, man, this just straight ripped. Well, I did take this based off that. This is on the 10 second. I did take that. Damn. I definitely want to see some sell-off. Like, if this sold back down to 89.75, I would not be mad. Because at this point, it's just like, yo. Alright, 10 second on ES. Looking like a 10-second crossover right there. I'm gonna take a quick 3 to 5, see if we can get in.
Order
Got
filled.
in at 34 and a quarter. Trying to get out of 35.50. Like a weird lockup, dude. My trade event's not responding. Yo, trade event's not responding. What the hell? Oh my gosh, you gotta be kidding me. That's crazy. I'm legitimately in a trade right now in Trade of 8, and Trade of 8 is not responding. I took my screen off because, okay, it actually filled that trade. Look at this. It filled that trade. My Trade of 8 crashed, but it did fill that trade. I gotta restart my Trade of 8. I've not had that happen before. I'll get this back up in just a second. That's so crazy, dude. I was straight up in a trade. Gratefully, I chose a good trade. But damn. All right, that's loading up. Wow. Your internet went down as you got filled on a put? What? Dude. That's crazy. It was a nice trade. We're only down $10 on the day. It was a nice trade though. Got a nice 5 ticks on that. On this 10-second breakout. Let's see what's up with book maps. Still like 7,000 more cells. I don't like that edit that they made to Bookmap where I can't see the buyers and the sellers. I just see like one line. I get it that that's all the information that I technically need, but I like just having more information a lot of the time. So what's going on the 20-second chart? We might get resistance up here like 38. Everybody's going slow today, dude. I was gonna take that trade, but I was late. I'll leave this on just in case this pulls back. Looks like oil broke above 90 and a quarter. There's resistance at 40 on the ES. I'm gonna take this one off. Fortunately, I just missed it, so. I'll take that pullback.
Order filled.
In long at 38.50. Took it out at 39.75. 40 has heavy resistance on it. I might drop to 39.50. Yeah, I'll go 39.50. I hit 39. $39.50 is not that many contracts. It's about 400 or 500 contracts to get through. It's not overwhelming, but at 40, we got 1,000 or so in total. It's 39.
Order filled.
There's 39.50. So there's 40 right there, which it did tap. I guess I could have got the 75. We officially put this account into green on the day. We got a ways to go in order to make that account be green, but you know. So 40 got taken out. Could actually be seeing a real reversal here. So we're green in both accounts today. Oil ripped all the way up to 34, 90, 34. It's pulling back now, but it's pretty amazing. I'm gonna take a look at this on the 22nd. So 22nd is on approach for the crossover. This looks like a real reversal. Just popped another 8 ticks. Might see a bounce off 39.
Order filled.
Took a long on my pause account at 40 and a quarter. And pull back to 39.25. Down about 150 in this trade. I should have waited for the fuller, for a longer pullback. Ooh. That is, wow, that's like 3 ticks. Holy crap. Or 3 points. It was a much bigger pullback than I was expecting. Go back to trade of 8, dude. I felt funny about trading this account. I did it anyway. This isn't looking particularly strong. I'm already down $600 in this, so fast. $2.9. Yeah, I'm gonna have to cut this trade. It was a multi-point drop, very, very, very fast. Pulling some very newbie moves. I'm out.
Order
Just
filled.
took that loss. This account's now down 659. How much did I lose on that? I thought I cut it at 637. Apparently I cut it at 750. Damn. 1 L. The only L in that account today. But a fat one. Trail max at 1741. I felt funny about it, man. I should have just like left it how it was. Take my little $100 win. Weird market today. Weird circumstances too. Oil bounced all the way back up to the highs. What the hell? That's crazy, man. Oil has the high at 90.35 or 90.36. It's gave back all of its gains on the ES. Crazy. Yeah, the energy is weird today. I felt like I shouldn't have traded on it too. There was like a mild intuition to not trade in this account, and I did it anyway. We may pull all the way back to like 30, 31. Oil's just crushing. Oil still has not fallen down. It feels extended though. It's up nearly 1% today. It feels like it needs to sell off to like 90. and then bounce from there. Yes, is hovering that 40-33, the 33 range or whatever. Yes, looks like it wants to do another breakout. Not really though, because the 50 and 200 are on approach towards downward cross. Difficult trading today. I might just leave and come back another day. Coming up on 8 o'clock. ES is looking shifty. There's not like hardly any volume in this area either. So ES is just looking shifty. Oil selling down to almost 90. Oil may have a short opportunity right here. When this crossover happens, make it a short op on oil. Down to like 90. I definitely wouldn't consider a short oil on the day, but this particular op may bring something around. Looks like that'll happen at 8. It's just in a minute and a half. It also could just rip up right here. I kind of feel like I'm guessing today. Which is not a great place to be. Whoa, did you see that rip on ES? What the hell? 30, it was a 12 tick rip just like immediately. That's crazy. That was like all at once.
Order filled.
We'll give it a try. We're going for 35, or from 35.50, going for 5 ticks. Going for 36.75 as the exit. There's 36.50. There's 75.
Order filled.
Pull back almost 200. Still down 480. This is continuing to rip. There was 10 ticks available in that. So looks like some 8 o'clock volume push here. We'll see if a 20-second crossover actually happens. I haven't really seen one happen much today.
Order filled.
Long at 37.25. Looks like we got a lot of resistance again up there at 39.50 and at 40. We've also got 38.75 as some resistance level. I'm looking to get out at 39 on this trade. I think I could have gone for a better entry with a little bit more patience with this. Down about 4 ticks at the moment. And getting some cool off that I do not want to see. Yep, there's that dang pullback. I gotta stop trusting the 20-second crossover. Lower this down to 38. It could just rip up to 39. You can see there's a lot of volume at 38.25 on up. That's one of the reasons why I put it at 38. So still gonna get through like 900 contracts to get there. It's kind of a lot. I don't have enough confirmation to really say that this is like ready to cut. But we do just get a 20-second cross. I chased it again, man. You guys just start pulling these reversals right at the moment.
Order filled.
I took an additional contract to lower my cost basis that also is looking to sell at 38. And that contract was at 36.25, so 1 point down from where we're at. Still ready to cut this quickly. No, this is my good account. Come on. I had to cut that. I need
Order
to
filled.
start cutting faster. I'm down $1,190 in my good account, so I'm just gonna call it today. Oh boy. So one great trade followed by a terrible trade, and that's kind of how I'm feeling today. So I'm gonna just end right there. Really just kind of kicking my own butt today. So yeah, thanks y'all for being here, and I'll see you tomorrow. Peace.